afternoon, and good evening, guys, and welcome to another video diving trader. My name is Daniel, and today, guys, we're on doing our portfolio update. Portfolio update today is Sunday. This video is going out on a Monday, so it's the week's finished on Friday. The markets are closed. Monday's closed. No markets closed on Monday. Well, the British market, sorry, is open on Monday, but the American markets are not. So we'll have to wait till Tuesday to see how the market picks off. But yeah, so let's go into it. Let's have a look through what's happened during the week, and also just to let you know that I'll be showing you the returns. As you can see, the returns, but I will be hiding the value of how much I've been putting in. Yeah, so that will be a secret for me, and I'll probably be sharing that in the future when we'll see. But for now, I'm going to show you the results, the percentages, returns that we have, and what companies I have. Firstly, before going to it, I actually done a video, as you can see up here, on this company up here on Curiosity Stream, and you're probably thinking, "Oh, hang on a minute! You told me you're going to buy this company," and yes, I was. I done a review on them. I done a video on Curiosity Stream. I like them. I want to invest in them, but I've been putting some money into some other short-term plays here that are giving me good returns, and what I take from that will go straight into Curiosity. So Curiosity is still at a price, reasonable price. Well, I would like it to be a little bit lower, but it's at $18.76. So yeah, so just to bear that in mind. I also sold Aston Martin. I sold Aston Martin for a return of 60%, and also took that money and invested in the penny stocks that we're about to talk about shortly. First one, Atossa Therapeutics, short-term, volatile, risky, very small percentage. Been lots of news about it. I don't think we'll see a big rise, but I don't know. I have a good feeling about this one. I have to do a little bit more DD on it, but this is a volatile penny stock that I'll be holding and be looking for the catalysts that could make this go higher. This is really a small portion of my portfolio, very small. Again, it's in that 10%, 15% mark. But good results, even though it's dropped, it's up 19.84%, so still a good result, very good results. So we'll keep an eye on the volume during the next week to see what happens. Danimer Scientific long term. Danimer long term, great results. They've 29% positive in the green there. It was at one point up at 40%, 40, I know, just over 40%. It's dropped back down. I haven't taken advantage of averaging up because, like I said, I've been playing around with the other stocks I've had recently. The capital's gone there, so I still have capital parked away, and we'll see how I play that out during the week. Again, long term, great company, really good company, and I expect to be buying more of this company, more shares in the future. Check my video out on that company, guys. It's quite an interesting one. Healthier Choices Management, HCMC. Right, okay. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail about this one, but I've done quite a few updates on this. Quite a few, in fact, 4 in the last 4 days. So I've done one every day with factual information. Please check that out if you're a HCMC fan. This is again, volatile stock, very risky, but up 162%. I took, and if you've not seen my video, please do check it out. I mentioned that I'd taken money off the table, so I actually took off 100%. In fact, I think it was 101% to be exact. So I'm 1% up. So the money that actually lays in this at the moment is pure profit. So pure profit. Okay, I'm not dollar cost and averaging up. I'm not buying in more. I've sold off my initial capital and I'm letting it ride. So it's up 162%. More than happy there. Again, risky, but there we go. Planet 13, long term. long term. Again, I've done a video on that one. If you want to see the video, make sure you have a look at that. Long term, and this is actually one of the only companies. I'm going to use the word cabbage, for not to use the word that I want to say, just in case I get banned from YouTube. Planet 13 is actually the company that I really see, and I like their model. I've done a video on them, so watch it. I like their model. I invested in, I think it was like more than a month ago, way more than a month ago, and I'm starting to see quite a few people ride on this one at the moment as well. When I say ride, for me this is not ride. This is a long term. So any noise in between, I'll ignore, and again, I'll take advantage and buy in on the dips if need be. Planet 13 up at 32%, so quite good results there. Excellent. Gevo, how we pronounce it, I always say the same thing. Great results, 63%. They were up much higher. This was actually in the 100% range at some point of the week, and it's actually come right down again. Again, long term, very long term. Will I buy in more? Most likely, yes. I most likely will. I think this is actually the fourth in my portfolio in terms of market share. Northern Genesis down 4%. Shame. No, not a lot of movement. It's a company that's probably going to take a little bit of a while to get up and running, but long term good. Probably quite a good time to dollar cost average up right now, but I'll probably wait for it to drop a little bit more. It did actually drop a little bit more during the week, but yeah, we'll leave it there. We'll keep an eye on it to see how the value goes on that one, and probably average up on that one as well. Skills, excellent. Another one, 68.8% returns. I mean, these numbers are absolutely amazing. Again, long term, no messing about. Long term, I regretted not buying more. I should have actually bought more, and I probably will buy more actually. So yeah, I've got a very small portion in the portfolio on that one, but 68% is good. And that was actually up at 100% as well at one point during the week. It was mad. Nokia. I'm not going to talk about Nokia because Nokia, for those of you that follow my channel, Nokia is the long term, long term, long term, long term. There's 4 videos and then watch them on my channel. I know there's been a lot of people and recently been pumping and dumping this stock. I bought this way before the noise. So yeah, I've had them for a while now. So long term, lots of people worrying about them. People have watched my videos and have worried about this stock, but this is great, guys. If the sellers are selling off, buy in. Is it great? If you get it at a cheaper price. I mean, this is the way we're going to look at it. We can't start to get worried because, like I said, this company is still undervalued. I don't care what anyone says; they're undervalued. I won't stress it anymore, and I really hope that next year people will be thanking me if they've watched my videos on Nokia and they've invested. So yeah, Nokia, keep a hold of it regardless of whatever happens. Galaxy Next Generation up 153%. Again, another one. My goodness, I can't remember what the highest I had on this one. This was where it went up sky high at one point, and it's dropped back down again. Value 153%. I think it was way over 200% at one point. Again, mad numbers, and it dropped down lower to 153%. This is a midterm. I really want to keep an eye on this one because I want to see how the results should have results coming out soon. Results should be out soon, and yeah, so keep an eye out for these ones to see what's happening. So midterm on that one, possibly long term, but for now it's midterm. Alpine 4 Technologies. Alpine 4 Technologies is the second highest. It was actually at one point, actually the first, it was my number one in my portfolio. Prices have dropped, they've dipped back down again. So NIO's gone back to being number one in terms of portfolio share. So Alpine is up at 69%. Again, it was up sky high. I actually bought in. I averaged up on this. I bought this at $2.70, I think it was. And last week I averaged up, and I think my average price now is something like $4.13, if I'm not correct. $4.14. $4.14. So it's at $7.04 now. So it's dropped quite. It was nearly up to $10, and there's a lot of news there recently, and we could see some information coming out soon. We don't know yet regarding them being on the Nasdaq. So keep an eye out for that. If it does go into the Nasdaq, if they announce it this week, we don't know. Um, Prices, I would imagine it going to 10 plus. I wouldn't like to say anything much higher than that. I could be wrong, but I would be happy if we were in the $10 range. So that'd be good. GAN, GAN up 101%, 101%. So great results. Happy with that. I should have bought more. I want to get more probably. I will be buying in. We'll see how it goes. Neo, yeah, Neo's been ignored. Neo was up at high, and I think it's finished 60. I think it's finished on just under $60. Let's have a look. I can't remember where it started off. It's yeah, 59.89. I've got an average of 47.23 on that. So yeah, Neo again, long term, hold it for as long as you live. And here we have a penny stock, one of the small parts, the portion that I'm holding on to. A lot of hype on it. Are we going to do anything with it? I don't know. We'll see how it pans out. This actually takes, because it's on a different stock market, this actually took something like 15 or 16 hours to go through on a buy, and then actually the market share, the market buy went really high. So I was quite frustrated by that because the time I was buying it, it was at three something, and then it came down to three something the next day, and it actually went up. It bought up at four something. So really, I was quite annoyed by that. So for selling that, if this goes high and I want to sell off quick, I want to see how long that's going to take. Hopefully that doesn't take too long, because I want to probably make a. This is a quick sale, very short term, volatile again. And Drone Delivery Canada. Drone Delivery Canada. I've just done a recent video on Drone Delivery Canada, and great. I'm saying great because I'm down 6.35%, and I think it's a bargain price at the moment. This company, I see a lot of future for this company, and I've done a video on the company, and I'm quite excited about this company, and I will just continue to buy more if the price drops to lower my cost. So good. I'm quite confident. There was a big peak. It did go up to around about the $2 or just over $2, I think it was, and it's down at 163, I think it is now, 175. So yeah, good company. Again, watch the video if you want to see more on that company. And last but not least, then we have IZEA Worldwide. IZEA Worldwide. This one is yeah, this was down 8.5%. So yeah, the negatives are not too bad. We're not too far down. I think the positives, the greens are really outweighing the negatives, as you can see. So it's good. This is the reason why I say it's important to diversify your portfolio. So really important to diversify your portfolio. IZEA down 8.53%. Yeah, probably buying more. Probably yeah, probably average up. So we'll see how it goes during the week to see what we can do. So guys, that's my portfolio update. I hope you've enjoyed the portfolio update. If you have any questions, just give me some comments down below. If you've liked the video, give a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. It really helps my channel grow. Have a great day, guys, and speak to you soon.
Yeah!